Hello, my dear friends. I am Manokrish from 4th D and today's treasure is practicing road safety. Practicing road safety means following rules that keep us safe while using the road. It means protecting our life and the lives of others on the road. A famous quote said, "Follow road rules today to live a safe tomorrow." Some road safety rules are: first, using zebra crossings to cross the road. Second, obeying traffic signals. Third, walking on the footpath. Fourth, wearing helmets and seat belts. Fifth, being alert and avoiding distractions. Here's a short story, The Safe Choice, describing practicing road safety. One evening, Sam and his friend Ayan were returning home from school. They reached a busy road. There was a zebra crossing nearby. But Ayan said, "Let's run across quickly. It will save time." Sam shook his head and replied, "No, that's dangerous. Let's wait for the signal to turn green for us." Ayan rolled his eyes but followed Sam. Just then, a fast car rushed past the spot. They almost crossed carelessly. Ayan froze for a moment and then whispered, "Thank you, Sam. You saved us." From that day, Ayan promised to practice road safety. Benefits of practicing road safety are: first, reduced accidents. Second, saved lives. Third, less traffic congestion. Fourth, increased confidence. My dear friends, safety is smarter than speed. By following road safety tips and practices, we can contribute to a safer and more responsible transportation environment. Now it's a quiz time, and today's question is, which is smarter than speed? Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.